Now students, your second question based on this isomerism. Show the different isomers of pentane. Show the different isomers of pentane. Okay, so pent means students how many carbon atoms? 5. Ane means between carbon atoms single bond. So you will think in how many ways you can arrange these 5 carbon atoms. So first way, these 5 carbon atoms you can arrange in straight chain. This is first condition. Second, 4 carbon atoms you can arrange in straight chain and 5th carbon atom in branching. From this side, this will be first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. In second last carbon atom you have put branching. Okay, next, third. Here 5 carbon atoms in straight chain you arranged. Then this 4 carbon atoms you can arrange in straight chain and 5th carbon in branching. You will not do the branching in the first carbon. Okay, and branching you can do from this side also. Again the same. If you do here the branching, 1, 2, 3, 4, branching here. So numbering you will do from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means the branched carbon atom should get the lowest possible number. That way you will do the branching. Numbering you will do in that way. Okay. Next, how you can arrange these 5 carbon atoms? Now 3 carbon you can arrange in straight chain and 4th and 5th in branching. Again for branching, first carbon atom you will not take. If you will take this carbon, this will be first carbon. If you will take this carbon, it will be first carbon. So where you will do branching? Here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No other way left to arrange 5 carbon atoms. It means pentane, how many isomers? 3 isomers. Pentane, how many isomers? 3 isomers possible only. Like butane, 4 carbon atom. So straight chain you arranged 4 carbon atom. In second, 3 carbon in straight chain and 4th in branching. Now no other way left to arrange the carbon atoms. So for butane, how many isomers? 2 isomers. And for pentane, how many isomers? If the question is asked, you should know 3 isomers. Now pentane, what will be the molecular formula? Pent means 5 carbon atom. And ane means it is alkane, single bond between carbon atom. And for alkane, how many hydrogen atoms will be there? Double of 5, double of carbon atom. So 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. So C5H12. This is molecular formula of pentane. So you write the molecular formula first. One more thing students. It is methane, 1 carbon atom. Ethane, 2 carbon atom. Propane, 3 carbon atom. Butane, 4 carbon atom, and pentane, 5 carbon atom. Then hexane, 6 carbon atom. So first 4 you should remember. Meth means how many carbon atom? 1. Ane means between carbon atoms single bond. Ane means single bond between carbon atoms. Means these all are alkanes, and in alkanes between carbon atoms single bond. Eth means 2 carbon atom. Prop means 3 carbon atoms. But means 4 carbon atoms. Then the normal order begins. Pent means 5, hex means 6, hept means 7. At least till heptane you should know the formula. Ane means alkene. And for alkane, how many hydrogen will be there? You see the carbon atoms. If 1 carbon, double of 1 plus 2. If 2 carbon atom, double of 2 plus 2. That will be the hydrogen atom. This way you will get the molecular formula of alkane. Okay. So pentane C5, double of 5, 5 2s are 10, plus 2, 12. So hydrogen 12. Now these 5 carbon atoms you can show in 3 ways. You can represent in 3 ways. First, 5 carbon atom in straight chain. Second, 4 in straight chain, 5th in branching. Third, 3 carbon in straight chain and 4th and 5th in branching. Now, satisfy the valency of carbon by hydrogen. And what is valency of carbon? 4. Okay. So, this carbon attached to one carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4. This 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now students, this I have written the structural formula showing the bonding of between each atoms. Condensed wave also you can write. This carbon, how many hydrogen written? How many hydrogens? 3. CH3 you can directly write. CH2. Single bond. CH2. Single bond. CH2. Single bond. CH3. Now here carbon atoms are arranged in straight chain. So what is the prefix used? Normal. Then how many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pent. Between carbon atoms, single bond. Ane. Normal. Pentane. And what is molecular formula? 5 carbon atoms. C5. Hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. C5H12. So normal pentane molecular formula is C5H12. Now next. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Hydrogen. This carbon 1, 2, 3. Here 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, this one 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is the structural formula I have written. In condensed way also you can write. This carbon, how many hydrogen? 3. CH3. Single bond. CH. Single bond. CH3. Single bond. CH2. Single bond. CH3. So numbering you have to do so that this group, branched group, the group in branching, you should get the lowest possible number. That way you will do the numbering. So from this side or from this side you will start. If you start from here 1, 2, 3, 4. So this methyl group CH3 I already discussed. CH3 is methyl group. Methyl group getting what position? 2. But you will do the numbering this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. So methyl group will get 3 positions. So you will do numbering in this way. From the left side you will start so that this group in branching should get the lowest possible number. Okay. So now this is the second last carbon atom. This is the second last carbon atom. And to second last carbon atom, which group is attached? Methyl group. I already discussed when in second last carbon atom, one methyl group is attached. What is the prefix used? Iso. Okay. Now, how many carbon left now? Leaving this. 1, 2, 3, 4. But. And between carbon atoms, single bond. Ane. So this is isobutane. Or how you can name it? No, not isobutane. Iso means second last carbon atom, one methyl group is attached. So iso. Okay. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total how many carbon atoms? 5. So iso. 5 means pent. 5 means pent. Iso, pent, and single bond between carbon atoms. So ane, isopentane. When you use the term iso, students, that is for what? Second last carbon atom, one methyl group. So iso. Then total carbon you will see how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pent. And between carbon atoms, single bond. So ane, isopentane. This is one way of naming. The second way, by numbering, showing the position of the branched group. So this methyl group is getting which position? 2. So that you will write 2. Write the position first. Then put hyphen. Hyphen डालना है नहीं तो गलत हो जाएगा. Then which group is attached to second position? Methyl. Write methyl. Then you have written the name of this group, methyl. Now how many carbon left? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So but. And between carbon atom single bond, so ane. 2-methyl-butane or isopentane. So students, this is second structure with molecular formula C5H12. You can count. How many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C5. How many hydrogen? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. H12. So molecular formula is the same, but structure is different. So property is also different. So these are two isomers of this pentane. One more is there. Again, satisfy the valency of carbon by hydrogen. So this carbon attached to 1. So how many hydrogen you will add? 3. Because valency of carbon is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Directly write CH3. Again this carbon 1, 2. Then 3, 4. 2 carbon, 2 hydrogen atoms. CH2. Okay. This carbon attached to 1 carbon. Satisfy the valency of carbon by hydrogen. How many more hydrogen you will add? 3. So CH3. Here this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 CH3. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 CH3. Okay. Now numbering 1, 2, 3. The carbon atoms which are in straight chain. You do the numbering so that this groups which are in branching should get the lowest possible number. That way you will do the numbering. So if you do 1, 2, 3, this carbon is getting second position to which 2 methyl groups are attached. Or if you do numbering from here 1, 2, 3, then also this carbon to which 2 methyl group is attached is 2. So anyway you can do the numbering. Okay. Now when in second last carbon atom 2 methyl groups are attached. Just now I discussed when in second last carbon atom 1 methyl group is attached. What is the prefix used? Iso. Now in second last carbon atom 2 methyl group is attached. Then what is the prefix used? Neo. What is the prefix used? Neo. Then total how many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pent. And between carbon atoms single bond. So ane. Neopentane. Or you can name in another way also. Second last carbon atom, 2 methyl group. So write the position of this methyl group. This methyl also second position, this methyl also second position. And when 2 methyl groups are there, 2 times you will show the position. So 2, 2. Because 2 methyl groups are there in second carbon atom. So 2, 2. Then what you will write? Hyphen. Both are methyl groups. So you will use the prefix di. Methyl. Di means 2 methyl groups. Then this you have written already their position with position. Then how many carbon left? 3. 1, 2, 3. And for 3 carbon atoms, what is the prefix used? Prop. So prop. And between carbon atom, between these 3 carbon atoms, single bond, so ane. So second way of naming 2,2-dimethyl propane or neopentane. When you use the term neo, students, when in second last carbon atom 2 methyl group is attached, then the prefix used is neo. Then total carbon atom 5, so pent, and between carbon atoms single bond, so ane. And when in second last carbon atom 1 methyl group is attached, prefix used is iso, and total carbon atoms 5, so pent, and between carbon atoms single bond, so ane. So what you see here, students, total how many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C5. How many hydrogen atoms? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. No. Look here, students. This is wrong written here. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Valency of carbon is 4 and all the 4 valency is satisfied. So, no need to add hydrogen here for this carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the 4 valency of carbon is satisfied. So, no need to add here hydrogen. Okay, so now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. H12. C5, H12. Okay, so what you see, molecular formula C5H12 represents 3 different structures with different properties. So, this phenomenon is called isomerism and the different structures are called isomers. So, what is isomerism? If a given molecular formula represents 2 different structures, 2 or more structures with different properties, then that phenomenon is called isomerism and the different structures are called isomers. So, what you see, this isomer, this compound, that is pentane with molecular formula C5H10, you can represent in 3 different ways. 3 different structures you get. Their properties are also different. Means you are getting 3 different compounds with same molecular formula. So, carbon is showing this phenomenon of isomerism. Means with same molecular formula, 2 or different structures are there. With different properties, means 3 different compounds you are getting or 2 different compounds you are getting with same molecular formula. This phenomenon is called isomerism and carbon shows the phenomenon of isomerism because of which there is large number of carbon compounds. Okay.